I try to keep a diary to let it out away from him. Maybe I should have learned your memory. Instead I let it ruin him. You see, watching the moon I feel it painting, but cold inside, eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You are my sin so hard to wipe out from me. From now on, you're all gone. It's been a while since you and me have shared a real memory. You see, I feel the need quietly to have you here close to me. Maybe watching the moon I feel it painting, but cold inside, eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You are my sin so hard to wipe out from me. From now on, you're all gone. All I remember, cold like December. She cries in the surface, still waiting for him to call her. But she should have noticed it was only August. The call she felt wasn't from the